Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp status to grow your business or brand. Let's get started. So what is a WhatsApp status? It is just like a 24 disappearing story like Instagram stories and it include a photo, videos, text, links and stickers and emojis. And it's very useful for business especially to promote a new products, promos or services. Stay top of mind with regular visibility, reach a warm leads, and get feedback with polls. And here are the step by step on how to use a WhatsApp status for business. So for to create an engaging content, you can use it for products photos, demo videos, and customer testimonials, limited time offers, polls, and more. Then add status. Just open the WhatsApp and go to the status tab and tap my status to post or choose your photos, video, or text, then add a caption or link. Then tap send. Then you need to be consistent. Post daily or weekly, use a branding elements, avoid spammy posts, and keep it natural. And the tips for to grow and engage, you can add value, use urgency, tease launches, and ask for replies. And who can see your status? Just go to the settings and click privacy and click the status. Choose my contacts accept or only share with. And that's it. You can use this to target the VIP clients or niche groups. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.